Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS dealer and educator. I want to show you a design that'll work well in a small sashing space. I call it Infinity Twins. We're going to use an infinity sign or a figure eight, however you want to think about it. Really swing out and then overlap over the one you just made. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted. And thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS long arm machines, contact your local dealer or visit your local APQS store or head over to apqs.com for more information.